Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to manage job schedule conflicts. This capability helps you flag and resolve upcoming scheduling issues, such as overlapping shifts or conflicts with approved time off, or unavailability. To enable the conflicts, you need to use job scheduling rules or unavailability. Here, in the Employment tab, you can create scheduling rules by either setting up company-wide scheduling policies or custom rules for individuals. Next, head back to the job scheduler and open the settings. Here, check Enable Availability to allow your users to mark their unavailability. Now, in the schedule, go to the viewing options and toggle on the conflicts. Let's look at the schedule. Any shifts that have a red exclamation point indicate a conflict. Hover over it to see the type of conflict. If you click on an employee with a conflict, you can view their scheduling rules directly from here. To get an overview of all conflicts, head to where the exclamation point is on the right and open the Conflict tab. Finally, here you can manage all your conflicts. You'll see upcoming issues under Upcoming and past ones under History. You can also see which types of conflicts were exceeded based on the rules you previously set. Thank you for joining us. For further assistance, check our Help Center anytime.